If you're not making at least 5K per month, stop scrolling. I have the perfect side hustle for you. And the cool part about this, it costs nothing to start. Make sure you save this video so you can look back at it. Let me show you. Google Amazon Associate and then sign up for a free account. Once you get approved and you're inside, go ahead and go to best sellers. Once you get to this page, you're going to find the top products that are being sold on Amazon that people are already buying. Choose a product you're interested in promoting. I'm going to choose this one right here. Now what I'm going to show you is super important, so make sure you pay attention. Once you picked up a product, you should see at the top, if you're already signed in, Site Stripe, and then you're going to click on get link. You're going to click on this text and you want to copy this link. This is your affiliate link and this is how you're going to get paid from Amazon. Go to Pinterest and create a free business account. Choose create idea pin and click on it. And we're going to create a really simple ad. We're going to add the picture. We're going to add the title here and we're going to add a description for the product. Remember this link from Amazon? We're going to head back to Pinterest and we're going to put it right here. To already do that, you're going to go ahead and click on publish. Every single time when someone clicks on your pin on Pinterest and make a purchase, you get paid a commission. By the way, you can repeat this process with as many products as you would like. If you want to learn more about this, make sure you give me a follow and click the link in my profile and get my free beginner's guide.